Hi guys, do you know you can automatically send a message to your customer in your WhatsApp business? The first time your customer message you on your WhatsApp, they will get this message automatically, or after 14 days, they will get this message automatically. And also, do you know you can also send a web message to your customer? Maybe you are not online and your customer message you, you can automatically send this message to them if you are not online. Like, okay, I'm not available right now, I will get back to you. You can see right now. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to set it up in your WhatsApp business. Now keep watching. This is how you're going to do it. You are going to move to your WhatsApp like this. This is my WhatsApp. So you click here. After clicking here, you are going to click in business tools. Okay. So after that, you are going to click on greeting message. So you can see right here, you're going to turn this on. Make sure you turn this on like this. Okay. So you can be able to do the next thing is that you're going to click here and edit it. You're going to write here welcome message right here. As you can see, this is examples of welcome message. This is my home welcome message that I sent to my customer automatically. You can see how you welcome to the Boston Business Solution we have been. So you can also add emoji right over here. You can add emoji as you like. Okay, so after that, you're going to click on recipient. So you will select everyone. Make sure you select everyone, all your customers. So then you will click on save. So after clicking on save, that's all. So if you are away, if you want to send a away message to your customer, you're going to click on away message like this. After that, you make sure you turn this on. Okay. So after that, you click on away message like this. You edit this. Thank you for messaging. We are on the view right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. You can also add emoji as you like. Okay. So that's all. After that, you click on recipient. Make sure you select everyone. Okay. After that, you click on save. Cool. So that is about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video and like. Thank you very much.